Oh my God, look at it, Evan.
Classic.
Oh my God. Oh my God, here it is.
Classic.
Here it is.
That's it. Probably shouldn't go too much further north.
I'm not going to do too much further north.
We're gonna peak the hill. We're gonna peak the hill.
Oh man, look at that.
It's right here.
Look at that. Should I get in front of them? Where's your camera? Up high?
It's okay, yeah.
Oh, here comes the rain.
Yep. We get rain wrapped fast.
Right in front of us.
Coming down right in front of us.
Yep.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. Don't get freaked out with the winds. This is just RFD winds coming in.
Oh, look at the wind. So this is going to be great footage. Oh, look at the rotation.
I know.
Right in front of us. Yeah.
Yeah, it's time.
We're going to turn around because if we go any further north, I'm afraid we're going to drive into it or we're going to